As we get older, our testosterone levels are on a constant decline, reducing your ability to perform well in many areas of your daily life. Many people experience depression, lower sex drive, irritability, and the list just keeps growing from there. For those of you who are unaware, I'm here to tell you that you can reverse the effects of low testosterone by implementing a few lifestyle changes that will significantly impact your life. In this episode of BodyWise, I will teach you how to naturally restore and increase your testosterone levels, but you must watch the entire video to receive the full benefits of what I'm about to teach you. Before we get started, don't forget to share and subscribe so you won't miss out on important information that can help you live a healthier life. There are 3 main reasons that contribute to the loss of testosterone, and today I want to help you identify them. Problem number 1. The lack of nutritional balance. A big problem that I see is the type of foods that makes up the majority of your daily diet. What you put into your body greatly affects your testosterone levels, especially when you're over the age of 30. Drinks with high levels of sugar and artificial sweeteners decrease an adequate amount of testosterone output. Drinking the right amount of fresh water is important to maintaining proper hydration. When we fail to properly hydrate, our performance levels suffer, which directly impacts our testosterone. Fruits and green leafy vegetables along with nuts should make up the vast majority of your diet. Lean meats are a good choice for protein but should be consumed in moderation. Remember that tofu is also a great substitute to maintain a protein-balanced diet. When we acknowledge that it's our responsibility to provide a substantial amount of nutrients to the cells in our bodies, we improve our awareness about the things we ingest. Health awareness is paramount in identifying the difference between commercial nutrition and real nutrition because our food choices are vital in keeping our testosterone levels at peak performance. Most people don't realize that fried chicken, takeout pizzas, and potato chips will destroy your testosterone levels when you consume them on a daily basis. When you feed the undesired fat in your lower abdominal area, you're telling yourself that you are comfortable living with nutritional neglect. You need to understand that processed foods and GMO-fortified products are full of bad fats and your T levels are negatively affected with every bite. Low levels of testosterone, aka low T levels, can produce a variety of symptoms. For men, the symptoms include low sex drive, erectile dysfunction, diminished muscle mass, insomnia, depression, fatigue, hair loss, irritability, enlarged breasts, hot flashes, increased body fat, shrinking testicles, trouble concentrating, mood swings, osteoporosis, bone density, low mood, low sperm count, lower energy levels, poor memory, and acne. For women, the symptoms show up in the form of low libido, depression, fatigue, weight gain, lack of energy, thinning hair, dry skin, muscle weakness, trouble sleeping, affected sexual satisfaction, lower bone density, irregular cycle, loss of muscle mass, anxiety, memory issues, inability to concentrate, less interest in intimacy, vaginal dryness, and muscle strength. Problem number 2. The absence of resistance training. Most people who experience low testosterone usually have a poor workout life. The daily routine of rolling out of bed just to go back to sleep most likely won't help you much. If you want to increase your testosterone levels, you need to develop a daily workout plan that uses testosterone-building exercises. The first exercise you should consider when trying to build testosterone is the classic push-up. Push-ups may seem like a basic exercise that works only your upper arms and chest, but when you do them the right way, they use muscles all over your body. You can do a set of push-ups just about anywhere. They can be adjusted to fit your ability level, and the best part is they're absolutely free. Resistance exercise, like push-ups, can naturally cause an increase in your testosterone levels. If you do a push-up workout, your goal should be to do as many sets and repetitions as possible, since this causes a bigger increase in testosterone. To correctly perform a push-up, begin with your chest and stomach flat on the floor. Your legs should be straight out behind you and your palms should be at chest level with the arms bent out at a 45-degree angle. Exhale as you push from your hands and heels, bringing your torso, chest, and thighs off the ground, assuming the planking position. Keep the core of your body engaged and your legs and arms fully extended. Inhale as you slowly lower back to your starting position. Repeat this process for as many sets or repetitions as you can. The next exercise that could greatly improve your testosterone levels are pull-ups. The pull-up is often seen as an intimidating exercise by beginners in resistance training. When you look at the benefits of pull-ups, it should outweigh any and all intimidating factors. To perform a proper pull-up, start with your hands on the bar approximately shoulder-width apart with your palms facing forward. With arms extended above you, stick your chest out and curve your back slightly. That is your starting position. Pull yourself up towards the bar using your back until the bar is at chest level while breathing out. Slowly lower yourself to the starting position while breathing in. That is considered one repetition. Repeat this process as many times as you can and make a written record so that you can keep track and make improvements as time goes on. Another great exercise that will help you increase your testosterone is the deadlift. The deadlift is a widely used compound weight exercise that involves picking up a weight from the ground by bending at your waist and hips and standing back up. The benefits of deadlifting helps you activate your hip extensors, reduce lower back pain, improve jump performance, improve bone mineral density, activate your core, and boost your metabolism. To perform a proper deadlift, stand with your midfoot under the barbell. Bend over and grab the bar with a shoulder-width grip. Bend your knees until your shins touch the bar. Lift your chest up and straighten your lower back. Take a big breath, hold it, and stand up with the weight. There are many variations of this exercise and each one has benefits that can help you increase your testosterone levels. The next exercise to be taken into consideration is the squat. The squat is a simple, free yet effective resistance training tool that could boost your testosterone levels. To do a proper squat, simply stand with your feet apart and parallel to each other. Place your hands and arms directly in front of you. Look up and lift your chest. Bend your knees to a 90-degree angle, putting all your weight on your heels and sitting back slowly. Your knees shouldn't go beyond your toes, and your head and chest should stay upright. Hold the position for 5 seconds. Rise back up, pressing through your heels, and straighten your hips back to the starting position. Repeat this 10 times to complete one set. There are many resistance training tools you can use to boost your testosterone levels. Another example of resistance training is the bench press. The bench press is an exercise that can be used to strengthen the muscles of the upper body, including the pectorals, arms, and shoulders. You can also implement rowing resistance in your training. The rowing exercise is good for people of all fitness levels. A rowing machine can assist you in reaching your fitness objectives and enhancing your general health and well-being if used frequently. Another amazing resistance training is the overhead press. The overhead press, also referred to as the shoulder press, strict, or military press, is a weight training exercise that works the shoulder muscles. It involves pushing a weight directly upwards from the shoulders until the arms are fully extended overhead. Start with a weight that is comfortable and gradually increase as your testosterone levels improve. Problem number 3. A weak mentality. The most important tool in boosting your testosterone is mental motivation. No one on this earth can love you the way that you can, so set a goal and take action. Your testosterone is only one complex element of your body, and it's your job alone to ensure your body gets the attention that's needed to perform well. Every ounce of motivation lives inside of you, and you should be proud to be you. Everything you do today will affect tomorrow, and tomorrow is a direct result of today. Build your body from the inside out and enjoy the benefits of pure health. When you improve your health, your body will reward you. I challenge you to love yourself enough to change things that can potentially hurt you in the future. A high nutrition diet along with consistent resistance exercise training has been proven to increase your testosterone levels. Most importantly, a lifestyle change could save the quality of your life and prolong the life you work so hard to achieve. I hope these simple tools can help you live a healthier lifestyle. And remember, it's never too late to start, but that choice is yours. Be smart, be resilient, be body-wise, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.